So I do have S&Ps up here. I am more focused on the S&P today. And I think we've got a good, decent, bounce opportunity here. I think we've pushed a lot of extremes. I sure as heck hope the selling continues in general in S&P. But based on this kind of rejection we're seeing here, and really kind of being, again, pushing extremes on multiple time frames, and this wonderful zone that we have here to trade from, that was so nice to us yesterday, I'm going to continue to lean on that. If we look at yesterday's trade in the S&P, we initially kind of rejected some areas here, traded down, and then we have a key kind of test here. We're going to be able to get into this 68 level. We can't, so then we got a pullback near it, which was a beautiful long opportunity up into here. But then we come right back to it, and we start compressing into the level, and we break through. Beautiful short opportunity on the retest there. And then you see how important this level is to the market based on the way these volume bars traded into the close. The way it broke down to almost 15 once we did break that down overnight. Come back, perfect retest of it. So now we're holding kind of above it. So I'm getting long. Not seeing the order flow come through, though, on this. Not seeing the buyers step in. Crude is messy on my charts, the way I see markets right now. We could certainly, bounce from the 60s. We could certainly continue to get rejected from the 90s. So I have a lot of kind of problems inside of 60 to 90. But my choice is going to be to continue to play the 70 level and whatnot. That was really good for us yesterday as well. It's drifting up a little bit, but still not pleased with the type of buying I'm seeing. All right, took a scale for 3 points here and a 6-point scale. 8 minutes and 35 seconds left until the equities open. And this is why I'm not trading crude today. I did take a little more off of this S&P long right here. At essentially the same price I took the second scale there. So we got a real order flow problem here, guys. We got a problem. So protecting a little more risk, booking a little more profits. It's so funny to see the dynamic of this up leg that we got into here. It's like all the buying came in at the top. It's like the majority of the market were suckers right there. It's pretty funny, kind of. Buyers have been pretty dominant since the actual pit open, since the actual equities open. All right, nice little 12.5 handle scale there. Bit of selling start to come in. So now there's really nothing left for me to do. I'm pretty much as scaled out as I want to be within this zone from 44 to 68. Initial stop will remain, and going to give the core a chance to really bounce and continue to run. A lot of volume got put in right there where I took that scale. That'll be it for the video today. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your Friday. Thanks for being a part of the community, and we'll see you guys around.
Many people want to be traders. They're passionate about markets, but they don't know how to accomplish the goal of being a successful trader. They don't know the path to achieve that goal. And it's easy to want to be a trader, but that doesn't mean it'll be easy to be one. And there's no easy path to any form of greatness, but there is a path. SMB Futures gives traders a way to move their trading forward, a way to rise above all those who try and fail. Whether you're just starting out or an established veteran, we have a place to plug you into our system and keep you moving forward down the right path. Maybe you need to connect with successful traders. Maybe you need training to develop mental toughness or find edge. Maybe you're ready to trade on our team, either remotely or on our New York desk, where you are backed by large amounts of capital, provided with world-class professional technology, where you work with a risk manager that knows you, within a culture of coaching and mentoring, at a firm that takes all the downside risk while encouraging you to become the best version of yourself. For those with the courage to make the journey, S&P Futures is here to move your trading forward.